I'm outside today and I'm going to draw outside today. I'm not an artist, but I do have a little nature journal that kind of walks you through drawing, and I never ever use it, so I'm going to do that today. Here's the name of the journal I'm using. So on the first page, it encourages you to get outside and to find something little like a daisy or a clover leaf and to draw it. It says don't worry about doing it right or wrong, as this will be your baseline drawing. I'm going to try drawing that. Oh boy. Not bad for my first time. That's kind of fun. Let's see what the next little lesson is. Okay, blind contour drawing. They want me to find a flower, looking at it intently, and follow the outlines without lifting my pencil off the page. I'm not supposed to look at the actual drawing while I'm drawing it. I have to find a new flower, I think. Okay, I found a begonia. You are going to get to see what I'm drawing while I'm drawing it, but I'm not going to. Interesting, very abstractish looking. Huh. That's what I drew. That's what I drew. Not bad. Hello, today I am at Gale Woods Farm in Minnestrista, Minnesota at a cross-country meet. Before the cross-country meet starts, I'm going to take a tour of the farm. This farm is both educational and a production farm, so I think it's kind of a cool place.